Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making this very cute bodysuit type thing. You can really style it with anything, and I've been wanting to make this one for a while, especially because this is like kind of like what Kendall Jenner wore in this picture. Yeah, I think that the jumpsuit is a really cute piece to have in your closet. So without further ado, here is how you make it. So I got this stretchy fabric from my favorite store. This one is a different one than I used for the Skims. This one is a little softer, so I think it's like more cotton and spandex rather than the other one, which I think was just spandex. Oh, I put my favorite shirt that I made on top of it because that is also stretchy material and it was really well made, like it suited my body correctly. So I used that in a skirt to make it. So first we're gonna start by making it like a dress. I couldn't decide whether or not I wanted it to be long sleeve or short sleeve because the weather over here is horrendous. On any given day, it'll be between 20 degrees and 80 degrees, so I was conflicted. But I did end up doing short sleeve just because I wanted to be able to wear this in the summertime, and yeah, it gets hot in the summertime. So, and I can always wear a jacket or put long sleeve under it, you know what I mean? So. Okay, after making the dress first, I took in the sides a little bit because it was a little baggy in the back. So yeah, I just pinned that up and took in the sides. And then next I pinned where I wanted it to stop and where I wanted this little neckline to be. I used pins because, you know, this is a dark fabric, so you're not going to be able to see any like pen or marker or anything. I know people use chalk, but I don't have that, so you can use what you can. Okay, next what I did was I kind of used my hand to feel where I wanted it to become like the legs, like where I want the legs to separate. And then I cut that and pinned it and sewed around it. That is me checking to make sure that there's not going to be any rips or tears in the coochie area because that would be embarrassing. Especially if I wore it to the gym, you know. So I decided to make a cutout in the back. I really like it. I thought it was cute. The only thing is, because like there's nothing like attached to the back, it was falling off my shoulders a lot. So what I did was I made a little stitch right here in order to bring these two pieces together more. So so that it can pull on the shoulder and it will stay. I also made a little headband to go with it. The headband was really easy, but I don't know why I thought that turning it inside out would work. I mean, I don't know. You see what I did, and then you're probably like, how would that even work for real? I don't know, okay? I don't know. So I learned my lesson. So what I did was I just went around and stitched up the end, and then folded it like into the center, so that it's what's touching my head when I put it on. Does that make sense? I don't know. You'll see it. I did make a cute little like thing right here where I pulled it down with the thread. I don't know, I might put that back, I might not. When I put it on after I had done that, it kind of popped out. So after you do that, make sure that you stitch up so that it can stay. But yeah, I think I'm fine with it looking like this though, but that's up to you. And next is a bunch of outfits that I tried on with it. This bodysuit is very ambiguous. You can put a lot with it.